Tommy.
Yeah.
Do you want to come back to me?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on sa mong mata. The answer is yes or no. Not hold on.
No. Say that again.
Sa?
What is your question again?
Do you want to come back to me?
I'm going to say this before. I'm not even going to answer that question. I'm going to reply to it. Exactly.
Yes or no is the question only. No other answer. I said my question is yes or no. Every time I see you in video call, you make me smile. How about you? When you see my pretty face.
Yeah, you make me smile too.
Wow, thank you. I make you smile and you make me smile. Everyone must be happy.
Everyone's happy.
Yeah. Very good relationship for you happy, I am happy, and everyone is happy. Woman, listen. If you know that foreigner have already girlfriend, fiancé, partner, don't flirt that foreigner. Don't even chat him. Don't even call him. Find foreigner that are single and don't have any girlfriend, don't have any fiancé, and don't have any partner. Find a single foreigner. Don't flirt my Tommy, and don't even chat my Tommy, and don't even call my Tommy. You know that Tommy have me. Okay?
And I don't understand that. And I do my best to stay calm and to ask you, please stop.
What you want me to react when you do shit like this? I will be happy? I will be happy? Tell me. I will jump in happiness because I call. No one answer. I will jump in happiness. That is what you want me to react. What the shit you doing to me?
Pansin ko lang, ang sarap-sarap sa feeling kapag wala kang inggit sa katawan. Oh, hindi ka makarelate no? E paano mula ulo hanggang paa, inggitera ka?
Han, huwag mo akong bibiglain ha. First time ko pa.
Ibig mo sabihin, Han? Ako makauna?
Oo. Sige, umpisahan mo na.
Kanina pa.
Ah, ganun ba? Aray pala. Aray.
Psst. May jowa ka na. Wala ba? Wala ba? Wala. Ayoko. Ayoko makalbo.
Han, huwag mo akong bibiglain ha. First time ko pa.
Ibig mo sabihin, Han? Ako makauna?
Oo. Sige, umpisahan mo na.
Kanina pa.
Ah, ganun ba? Aray pala. Aray.
Kung ayaw mong maghiwalay ka ng jowa mo, simple lang. Ilak mo.
Lapit